guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do text-to-speech in Python. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go pip install pyttsx3. Now this is a text-to-speech program that we're going to be using in this tutorial. So we're going to press enter and it should start installing. Alright, now we're going to do for our first line of code, import pyttsx3. Now for our next line, we're going to do that, and then we're going to do engine equals pyttsx3. Now we're going to put in it and our beginning and end mark. So let's put dot in it. Alright, now what we're going to do is put engine say, so engine.say, and beginning and end point. We're going to put our two, for typing, and we're going to put hello. Now we can make another line if you want, saying engine say goodbye. So engine dot say goodbye. Now for our last line of code, we're gonna put, for the running program, is engine dot run and wait. Now if you run your program, it's gonna say hello and goodbye. So let's do a test. Run. I'm gonna name it text to speech. Oh, so at the end of the run and wait, we have to put the close and opening. Now we're gonna run again and you should hear it.
Hello. Goodbye.
And that's how you make a text to speech in Python. Bye.